It is for this reason Jimmy calms himself down before a dive. Focusing on his breathing and reaching a trance-like state helps to slow his heart rate and metabolism to reduce his oxygen intake. At depths of 20 meters, water pressure is up to 3 times of that on the surface, compressing lungs that are already lacking oxygen. These habitual free divers have mastered the ability to withstand the pressures of staying deep underwater for long periods of time. Jimmy free dives all the way down to the seabed and proceeds to utilize a unique skill of the Bajau. He walks.
Mangtabon na ora mo le na siyam. Minabilian pe ni ano ko ra. Katis minabilian niya ko ra amli takaka na mo le ni luma. Pagpole ni luma natuli na kami na. Kaya ako mo panabay bang patuho nanulog na panapak. Nabang buat sali rutinelas bang maraya. Buat ito ro iya panapak bang maraya pangambay. Buat ay pangan lumangan. Kambila sabtangan ng ambay. Katis ang ambay agpihay.
Shirking off the pressure and the urge to gasp for air, Jimmy remains focused on the hunt. Once he locates a fish, he wastes no time in raising his spear gun and taking aim. With an absolute mastery of his weapon, he pulls the trigger and bags his first fish of the day.
Ito ni Nailo niya kati sa milang ang halapana, agpihan na siya lumungan na siya magpihag libutan. Akati sa limutan mga niya tayong pinana na siya, tinuong na siya ng nylon. Akati sa gilapan, nagtilod.
Jimmy repeats this process several times a day, a strenuous effort that takes a toll on his body. To prevent himself from exerting any unnecessary energy, Jimmy will swim against the current when he is underwater. This will ensure that when he surfaces, the natural flow of the current will carry him towards the boat without him having to swim towards it. The simplicity of their daily routine masks the miracles that these men perform. The physicality and technical expertise required to do what they do can only be explained by the fact that these are people living in pure harmony with the rhythms of the sea. Jimmy's hunting will sometimes lead him to find taklabo, various types of shellfish.